welcome back to the channel. So today I'm unboxing a Dualsense controller for the PS5. I got my PS5 and I already have a controller just right here, but I'll be doing an unboxing of another one as I got it from Amazon. And let's get this unboxed and see what comes inside. This is the retail packaging, and I'll just show you around how it actually looks like. The box feels alright, like it's better. I'm not sure if it's better than the DualShock 4 one or not, but it looks decent. So yeah, let's get this unboxed. So I haven't got a knife, so I'll be using the scissor. I mean, it should get the job done, right?
$2,000 later.
So guys, as you might know, I'm a professional. You can see there. Look at the box, how damaged it is. I'm a professional. That's a sign of a professional, by the way. So yeah, let's get this unboxed. I really hope it's in focus. Oh shit, see, I'm a professional. Okay, anyways, let's move forward. So that's the empty box. We don't need it. And there's another box inside a box. So box inside a box. There was another box on top. Yeah. So I guess it opens this way, just like that. Oh wow! I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but you see there's some kind of, I don't know what that is, but whatever that is. So that's the controller over there, and it's exactly the same. There's no difference with it. I love the Dualsense controller too, often. So yeah, all the button feels okay. I mean, it turns on with it. You can see the LEDs. The blue looks different in the camera though. It's like a dark blue, but it looks kind of light blue. I don't know what kind of blue, but it looks different in camera. I'll have to say that. I'm not going to turn this one on, or it's going to turn on my PS5. But yeah, these are the controllers. Let's see what else you get in there. So that's the manual right there. I mean, it's the most important thing in the box now. No one cares about it. So yeah, and yes guys, Sony is very nice. They don't include any charging cable. Wow. Yeah. Okay. So yeah guys, that was just a short unboxing of the thing. And I've also got this game right here, God of War. I got it for around 8 quid on eBay. So I'm not sure if I should do unboxing of this or not, but okay, let's do it. So yeah, we're gonna cut it, and see, I'm a professional. I told you, I'm a freaking professional. So yeah, so that's the artwork, lovely artwork right there. This is one of the best games, by the way. I got it when it was released. I got the limited edition PS4 Pro as well, but I sold it. I don't know why the fuck did I sold it, but yeah. So yeah, if you didn't know, the games always come like that. I don't know why. It's probably the shipping. But that's the disc right there. I'm just gonna put it back. We have to put it the right way, right? Okay. And that's the thing by that. Try for free. If any of you want it, nah, you can't get it. Lol. Okay. And the fact that it came with this cover on top is really nice, because I appreciate anything extra. Okay guys, so that was a short unboxing. Thanks for watching guys. I really appreciate your support. Subscribe, like, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So peace.